Alright, you guys, so we've just arrived to the Panglao airport, and whenever you arrive they don't have any Grab available and no taxis available, but they do have this little concierge, and I guess they only do private here. So in order for us to go to the Panglao area, it is 400 pesos. Alright, you guys, we have arrived. It's 120 USD.
We booked it like the week of.
Yeah, we did book it just a couple days ago. And it's right on Alona Beach, which is supposed to be really nice. And normally we go for like, normally we go for like something a little bit more economical, but it's Valentine's Day, so you know we gotta get it in. Right, Anthony?
Definitely getting it in.
I shouldn't have said that.
You said it.
Good morning. We're here to check in. All right. Oh my gosh, the room comes with an Anthony.
This is where I'm allowed to be while filming.
Oh my god.
Get in the corner, bitch.
I said get in the closet. Alright, so thanks for sharing that little tip. Alright, so this is our room. And it's a king with one twin. Do we have a balcony? And a sitting area. And oh my gosh, how fancy! Oh, balcony just for one person. And, oh, that's how you do it. Alright. Very nice view of the other rooms for an extra $10 per night, or a little over 500 pesos. We could have had a pool view room. And I said,
It was $1,300 per night.
oh crap, that's right, it was $1,300 per night. This is the shitter. Very nice. Alright. And that concludes our tour. Anthony, do's out.
I'm not allowed to get out.
Hold on, let me get the full picture of you. Hey, fishy, 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 fishy. Don't throw in coins, okay, guys? Okay, so this is the pool area. This is just one area. This is just one pool area, and it's the larger pool area. It has 2 bars, and I wonder if that's like a swim up to bar. Yeah, it looks like it. I don't know if they're open yet. It's like 8 a.m. But yeah, it would have been an extra $1,300 to get a pool facing view, but I said no. Hi, is the beach this way? Okay, thank you. Anywho, so yeah. This is your view down here at the villas. So the villas are inclusive with your hotel stay if you stay here at Hennan Resort, but if you don't plan on staying here, then you can pay for a seat. It's 1,600 pesos per seat, and that comes with a beach towel, and they also give you a complimentary buffet. So if you're interested in staying here but not interested in staying at the resort, then okay, we are at the breakfast buffet. I got a seafood salmon, I got some ham, I got some adobo chicken, some bacon, some Japanese crab salad, some pepperoni, and some fruit. And Anthony got, what did you get?
Ham.
Ham?
Beef.
You got an ensalada?
Yeah.
You got a donut?
No.
What is that?
I don't know.
Alright, looks yummy. Alright, you guys, so it's kind of crowded because it's like a Sunday morning right before they close type of deal. But they have like a salad bar, as you can see, a cereal bar, a fruit bar over here. They have some desserts. Nice bread area. Let's see. A little soup area. Some of these. Your meats. And I think they also do like omelet station for you if you want. And then this is your eggs and your bread, which looks pretty sparse at the moment. But yeah, that's like the free complimentary breakfast. Okay, so this is like the beach area. It's a hello. It's set up a lot like Boracay. I do vlog. Yes, I do. All right, you guys, we're at Balicasag Island, where we paid 2,000 pesos for a private boat to get to the island from Alona Beach. We did some underwater snorkeling where we saw a barracuda fish, several giant sea turtles, and lots of different sea life. So I would highly recommend coming to Balicasag Island for some snorkeling, and they also do diving.
Whoever's scared. It's probably the most wildlife we've seen snorkeling here.
Turtle swim? You didn't see the whale shark?
Where is it?
It was like swimming up that way. I can't believe I saw a barracuda.
Whale shark is like the size of a boat.
Oh. And what's the size of the barracuda? Well, yeah. I didn't know they were dangerous. I'm Scuba Steve. I can't believe you don't have your life jacket on. You must be tired.
I'm just fat.
What do you mean I'm just fat?
I float.
No, you don't.
Look, I'm not swimming.
So you're not having any struggle to stay up?
Okay. It's called I'm buoyant.
I'm fat too, and I'm not buoyant. I'm girling.
Sorry.
Alright, so we got some spring rolls, and we got some prawns, and we got some beach. And we got some Anthony.
Oh, hot.
Ruh-roh.
Balicasag.
Balicasag. Or as Anthony would say, ball sack.
Hi.
Or as Anthony would say, ball sack.
It looks like ball sack.
He's like, it sounds like ball sack, and I'm like, Anthony, No.
Yeah.
This is a nice little restaurant we have here. Happy Valentine's Day.
You gotta cut your pizza in half.
My sweetheart. You did yesterday. It's like our 9th or 10th Valentine's together.
9th or 10th? You don't know
Yeah.
which one it is?
Well, we met in 2010. But it was the summer of 2010 to 2011. So I'm pretty sure this is our 9th Valentine's Day together.
Happy Valentine's.
That's all? That's all she wrote? A man of few words. Oh, damn, they know what's up. They went and got McDonald's. Or McDonald's on the beach. Mickey D's.
You
Mickey
could see
D's.
the McDonald's and you were coming back in.
I know, I was like, yay, America. Even though we have a McDonald's like down the street from our house we never go to.
I've been a couple times.
Yeah, we've
Drunk
been a
when you're
couple
drunk.
times.
I went chicken nuggets.
Yeah, nuggies.
I could sit and listen to you talk. Ignore the time and throw away the clock. I love to hear each thought upon you.
Alright, you guys. We are here at
The beef farm.
the bee farm. We're going to the restaurant and buzz shop. Bee farm tour every 30 minutes. No? Yay!
Beef bar.
Okay, so this looks like it's just the coffee bar. Hi, how are you?
Good, good.
This is just the coffee bar, right? Ooh. Very nice. Wow, very nice. It's popping down here. Hi. Now we're over here, sitting in a beautiful view.
Okay.
Ooh, special menu.
Female bees, they're the bees who sting us. Male bee, they do nothing inside. They're just mating.
Are you saying the females are bad bitches?
Yeah.
Okay. So how many bees did you say are in there?
Oh, here inside, 70,000 only. Yeah. And that 70,000 are all female who want the one who sting us.
Just be calm.
Be calm.
That's the queen? How do you know
Notice,
that's the queen?
every time she passes, they give way.
Everything she passes what?
They give way.
Wow.
See the other bee there.
Yeah.
And she's the one who can lay 1,000 eggs per day.
Does she have a name?
No.
Yeah, I should call her Beyonce.
No, Bea.
Bea. Oh, okay.
Yes. I like Bea. Hold it. Take some photos.
Alright, be cool, be cool, be cool, be cool.
Just don't be afraid. Because the more you get afraid, the more the bees get. And they love it, by the way. They love to play with you. If you're so scared. Yes, they
I'm
sense
not
fear.
scared,
Yes, look
but
at
I'm
that.
ready to put it back.
They sense fear.
Really?
Yeah, just like
Alright.
dogs and snakes.
Okay.
But you can actually hold them. You want
Yeah,
Cool.
sure, I'm not afraid.
your hand like doing that one?
Alright.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
If you get stung, then fine.
Okay. Can we do one off with me?
Oh.
Thank you. Okay.